Arshad Rahmati Urdu School Jari. I am 8th class. I am going to read poem Try Again. Teesa lesson you should heed. Try again, try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear. For if you will persevere, you will conquer, never fear. Try again. Once or twice though you should fail. Try again. If you would at last prevail. Try again. If we strive, this not is race. You do not win the race. What should we do in that case? Try again. And if you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward. Try again. All that other fall can do. Why with patience may not you? Only keep this rolling view. Try again. Thank you everybody.